So in this video, I want to show you my project, which is to control my PC using my phone. So a friend of mine asked me to build him an app that will scan for various clips online and send him for review before downloading them. So this is kind of moderated web scraping. I told him sure. After setting up the Python script for scanning and scraping, I had to integrate a user input method for decision making. So here I was thinking hard, how would I do that? So I consulted with ChatGPT, which is my best friend, and he told me about Python sockets. That was really fascinating to me because I love interaction over the internet. More specifically, for example, multiplayer games, because I can remember from my childhood that I would wake up at 6 a.m. before school just to play Counter-Strike 1.6 zombie mode. I still to this day play Counter-Strike. Anyways, making my own sockets connection would require an app for the phone or some kind of front end which I have zero knowledge of. But not only that, I knew that since I don't know anything, plus myself being paranoid, I would be an easy target for a North Korean baby hacker. So I remembered I did something similar in the past and I used Telegram for that. So I could try to remake that and skip addressing the security issues. I ended up playing around with the Telegram API, which was fine, but it was also very limiting. But in the end, I got it working. So after I was free, I began my journey of full stack application development. Also, I should address that I am kinda in love with Python because that's what I know and was told to learn by my master, which is a YouTube video called Best Top 5 Programming Languages in History. So this should explain why I looked on how to run Python on my Galaxy 3 Plus Max Pro, which then led me to the Kiwi Python framework. So I began making the app, I got it to work and I added design elements. And now I'm quite the minimalist, so my designs are gonna look lazy, but it's not. And I'm also into cancer style, so that may show. Then I realized that using Kiwi would be taking ages to use because of its conversion. So I switched to Android Studio, which came with built-in emulator. I told a friend about this and he said that maybe I should consider dropping these and try to use React fronted. It should have better and easier UI to create and also would run on more devices. I told him that I already thought of this option, but Telegram was free while running server needs money for hosting, which I don't have because I'm a college student. Then I remember that NordVPN is a feature that allows kind of LAN connection. So if my phone is on the same network as PC, then there is no need for hosting services to be able to access the front end. This was amazing news to me. Now I can run my server locally and access it with my phone routed back home. Linking it to the backend Python server that's on my PC, I can execute commands or do anything I want. The options are endless. Now what's left is just the easy part, which is to learn HTML from scratch, then learn CSS from scratch, then learn JavaScript, and then get all the components working with the Python server, and then move to React or React Native to program for my phone. So this is what I have right now. This is just a little documentation of what I did. I really wanted to have a YouTube channel all my life, but I never knew what I wanted to do here. So I still don't know what I'm doing, but I will just begin doing something and hopefully I will find a direction or a purpose in the process.